Hey there, my name is Nick Tapia Fuselier, he, him, his pronouns, and I currently serve as the Assembly Coordinator for Communities of Practice on the ACPA Governing Board. Part of my responsibilities in this role is to provide strategic support for our communities of practice so that they continue to do the great work that they do to support their members. It's also to imagine the ways in which communities of practice fit into the larger mission and vision of the association. There are lots of exciting things always happening in our communities of practice space. One of them is this year we were excited to welcome the senior level community of practice into the Assembly. This is formerly known as the Commission for Administrative Leadership, but they are now serving as the senior level community of practice, a great source of support and resources for the senior level members of our association. If you're interested in learning more about the Assembly Coordinator for Community of Practice roles, I encourage you to look at the position description or feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to chat.